Next year, Saturday after Thanksgiving, we will be officially closed. We will not be here for your entertainment purposes only. So what am I doing right now? I'm going to fix my high banker.
That means we'll have more time to fix our race car.
Yeah. Well, yeah. If my machine shop guy actually showed up today, he's like, yeah, you're going to be at work today? Yeah, I'm going to be here getting fucking tortured for sure. I'm going to be here.
Let's make Saturdays race car day. So we go to a track and race.
So next year we won't be open. Hear the stories already first thing this morning. You're like, yeah, why did you waste your time coming in? And maybe I will tell you this. Maybe I will tell you the story while I'm working on my high banker. Meet my high banker. So we had an estimate only today. That was a complete waste of our time. And I know because, oh, they're going to come back. They're not. They're not coming back with broken windshield, check engine light on. And we had a guy ask us to take his tire off his rim. How much do we charge for that? And we gave him a price. He's like, well, I already got a price down the street. Why didn't you just get it done there? Because he was looking for someone to take the tire off for even less than that. I was like, yeah, we're not doing this next year. This is not. No, thank you. Now he's going to go back to the other shop after he already left. And if I was the other shop, I would just tell him, no, I ain't doing it. Because I was already here and gave you my price and then he left. Then he was driving around trying to figure out if you can get your tire taken off for $6. Nobody's working for $6 anymore. Nobody. And he didn't want to pay my price, so he left too. Have a nice day. So what am I doing? So what you do with this is you take material and then up here, this actually washes it through a bilge pump. The water flows up here, so you put your material in here and there's a mat that runs across, and then the gold drops out here, and then your tailings go out that side and this side. So what I usually do is have a mat there, checking our tailings, and then I have two mats down in here, because this is just a modified high banker. How about that, Jude? Modified high banker. But it's time for some maintenance. So today, if I can get April to agree, we are going to go up to the Susquehanna River about 2 hours from here. And inside of here, Jude, is actually magnets. So this is...
I saw the magnets.
So the magnets tell us how much black sand's in the material. These are neodymiums. And then as I'm shoveling, if we see a lot of black sand and it's coarse, that's where I want to be. When it starts getting fine and little, I don't want to be there. So if you look at here, you'll see there's some real coarse, and then you'll see there, that's the last part of where we were digging at. So. And I don't want to stop for maintenance when I'm out digging for gold. So I got to stop and fix all the abuse stuff. That beats the crap out of this thing. She needs a little love.
You don't say.
I definitely do say. So that's how I get, you know, how much black sand is going on, and then these ripples up. I never find gold up here, never. It's so little that it washes out. That might be a piece there, but I don't even care about that. But I beats the crap out of this. But since you need a little maintenance, and this has been a problem, which is not enough. I'm a pitch. I'm struggling with this a lot. And then it has adjustable feet. Adjustable feet so that you can, when you're out here in Mother Nature land, that you can adjust the terrain. So I usually have, I have a magnet here. Look, you see that? So I have a huge neodymium magnet here with pliers stuck to it, and what I'll do is, like, if I'm not sure of an area, I'll check this, and if it's a lot of black sand, I'll dig there. And then sometimes just that's deceiving too.
You should go river fishing one day.
Fishing?
Yeah, take one of the big magnets, throw it off a bridge, and see what you can pull up.
Anthony and I used to go magnet fishing.
Magnet fishing, that's what it's called.
Magnet
not river
fishing.
Sorry.
Well, since we're gonna go to what you call it today, I think.
Do you need a compressor?
I think I might do some magnet fishing. This needs to go up. So I'm wondering. I like that pitch. You don't want it to be too fast, because the little stuff that we're chasing is just such exactly that little. And I think we're good. I'm going to pump some RTV on some of the beat spots here. I think we're okay. Yeah, we don't want to be losing any gold. Now, any spots there. I think that's good. So believe it or not, you could definitely lose some gold. Hand me the black RTV, since you're still here. Okay, you don't think all the boys are still sleeping?
Oh, 100%. 100%.
You can rank too while you're at it.
Yep.
All right, so that's sealed up. I need to fix this up here. What are you saying?
I'm not saying, I'm just watching.
You're watching me work.
Yeah.
Pretty cool though, right?
Oh, 100%.
I don't think I have a leak up there, although I beat the snot out of this. That's pretty solid. So everything's looking good. Good. Could be gold stuck under there. That's been a problem too, is that at least that gives me some more pitch. Good. This chute here is a little back pitched. I guess it's okay. We could add a little bit more to it. Just to do that. Give it that pitch instead. We'll bend these up a little bit. Give us a little bend up. Because all I do is beat the snotski out of this thing. Alright, I think that's good enough. High banker maintenance. Maintenance is good. A lot of material has been through this thing. So you want it to kind of have time to wash here. And then fall through, and then you want it to have time to wash down inside of here. It falls through this mesh. But let's see. Thanks for watching.